guys, it's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'd love for you to be part of the family. And today, you guys, I got some KFC. Oh yeah, you know what's going down. And I have some cheese dip. I'm gonna try this chicken and cheese, see how it go down, honey. And I got me a nice bottle of cold water. That's how I'm doing it today. And I'm about to dig in. I haven't ate all day. And I've been saving this for you guys. Hopefully you guys have something to eat. You're eating with me. And of course I'm gonna share. So yes, let me say my grace and so we can get to it. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Lord, thank you for providing this food for me and the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen, amen. Yes, let's get to it. So, I got chicken. I went to the menu and didn't know what I wanted. So, I decided to get... Couldn't forget my biscuit. And I got some potato wedges. Look at that. Set this up, you guys. And here goes my cheese. Yes. Chicken and cheese, baby. KFC. Sit that right there. No, I've been waiting on this all day. Yes. Who say chicken and cheese don't go together? This is so good. Look at this, you guys. Take a bite. You know I share. Oh, and I got potato wedges. I don't know if I mentioned that. Take a bite. Look how I'm gonna do this drumstick, y'all. Look at that. This is so good. Hopefully you guys are having a great day and you're eating with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of this nice, good family. Look at that. This is so good. Got my biscuit. Chicken and cheese, baby. When I say so good and go together, this is like heaven. So good. Mmm. 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 Take a bite. Mmm. Water. Mmm. Mmm. Yes. This is awesome, you guys. Mmm. 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 Look at that. Take a bite. Mmm. 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 It's so good. You guys, I am almost at 700. I'm getting closer and closer. And I am trying to get to 700 right now. Of course, I want to get to 1K. But I'm going to want to get to 700 at this point. Whoever gets me to 1K, there definitely is a reward for getting me to 1K. If you can get me to 1K, I promise you, you're going to enjoy and like what I have in store for you. Get me to 1K. Let me know that you got me to 1K. I'm going to see it. And I'm going to need your address and everything so I can give you what I have in store for you. Believe me, it's going to be worth it. I need to get to 1K. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mmm. This is delicious. Mmm. Look at that. Big chicken breast with cheese. Mm. It's just staring me in my face. Mm. 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 That is so good. It tastes like something I used to eat when I was younger in school. Like a chicken sandwich or something. I don't know. But it's delicious. You guys, this is super fulfilling. I'm like so full. That's why I wanted you guys to come eat with me so I can share. So, St. Patrick's Day is over. And the next holiday is what? Easter. And comment below on what challenge you would like for me to do. Oh, yeah. This is so delicious, you guys. I don't even know what to say. Words can't even explain how good this is. I'm super full. Yes. Super, super full, you guys. I think because I waited all day to eat. because I wanted to eat with you guys. So I wanted to make sure that I have room for you guys. This is so good. Guys, for Easter, what challenges would you want me to do? Comment below and let me know what your idea would be so we can get to it. This is so good. This would have been good ASMR. I haven't done an ASMR in a minute. I need to do one. But I need to know what I want to do it on. So you guys also comment below and let me know what you want me to do an ASMR on so I can get to it. Like, KFC is so good. I forgot to get crispy, like extra crispy. But the chicken is still so good. Who do you think is better? Church's, KFC, Popeyes, or Bojangles? If you have one in your area. A lot of people don't have Bojangles in their area. So comment below and let me know who you think is the best out of all three. Popeyes, Church's, or Bojangles. Oh yeah. Who do you think is the best out of Applebee's and Chili's too? My opinion, I used to like Applebee's, but I think Chili's might be better now. I had got a Mountain Dew from KFC, but I drank that on the way home, so that's why I'm drinking water. Y'all don't understand how chicken and cheese tastes. And these wedges are banging. They go down. But I'm gonna tell you who got some good wedges. I don't know what y'all have in y'all area, but where my mother's from, they got these gas stations called Friendly Gus. Shout out to Friendly Gus too, because they got some good chicken and some potato wedges. But my mom is from the South, like the deep South. So they ain't everywhere. They got some good fried chicken. You know how the country people like to cook their fried chicken and then potato logs. Honey, let me on the money. They be good. You can get you a whole box for like $3.99, $4.99, I think. Super good. They got some good fried chicken. You want some good fried chicken, you just go to the South. This is so good. I also met a YouTuber that stay in the same city as where I'm going to September for my graduation. And she goes to the same school. I was like, this is a small world. She goes to the same school as me. But she said she don't like where she live at. She don't like it there. And that's where I want to move to. I can't get KFC chicken without the potato wedges though. The wedges are good. But the macaroni is, I don't care for the macaroni. They mashed potatoes and gravy is pretty good too. They biscuits is good. Oh yeah. Who biscuits I like the best? Churches. Churches got the best honey biscuits. Hands down. Make you want to smack your mama. Oh yeah. Yeah. Super good, honey. This is what I wanted tonight. Chicken and cheese. And potato wedges. That chicken's so moist and tender. I shouldn't have dropped my soda on the way home. Woo! Shout out to all my new subbies, baby. Showing me mad love. I like their skin too. Shout out to all my day ones, my loyal subbies that never left. I love you guys so much. Ooh. Let me find out. Burping on the low? I must was real hungry, Chad. They eat a breast, but they breast is not even tough. Like, you know how you go to like certain places and the breast be like the worst part? It be all tough and stuff. Not KFC breast. It's tender. So, my niece's birthday last weekend was a big turnout. It was awesome. We had a great time. We went swimming. The grown-ups had open bar for like 4 hours. We had a nice breakfast. Fruit, bagels, omelets, whatever you want. Bacon, sausage, orange juice, apple juice. I mean, it was the whole works. Like, whatever you want at that buffet, that breakfast buffet, you got it. It was awesome. Fruit, strawberries, cantaloupe, bananas, everything. It was super good. We had a good time. She got all the presents she wanted. It was super lit. She got cake wasted. We were in there. Now, got another birthday coming up real soon, but I ain't gonna rush it. My mother, Taurus baby. Comment below if you want to see a video with me and my mother and give us something to do, a challenge or anything. Oh yeah, what should she do for her birthday? Give us some ideas. Oh yeah, and comment down below. I have a good one for you guys. Comment down below and guess what my mother's age is. Let's see if somebody get that right. This is so good. I could think of like a recipe to go with this. Like add something else to it. Their breast is not tough at all. This is so full. I'm so full, you guys. Whew. I cleaned the bone, baby. Still got some stuff on there. Ooh, yes, Jesus. Ooh. Bless it. Oh, yeah. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I do come on, honey. We'll love for you to be part of the family. We'll love for you to be a beautiful flower on the squad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You already know how we doing over here. This is super good. You guys, I didn't think it was gonna taste like this. I was not ready for this. KFC chicken is banging. So, I'm supposed to be in Atlanta tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm going or not, cause I be so busy. I forgot I had the tickets. To this concert, but you know, things happen. I might go, I might not. It just depends on how busy I am tomorrow. Oh yeah, what's a new movie coming out? Did that movie come out already with that made Get Out? That movie came out yet? That's the movie I really, really want to see. But I need to take a whole group of people with me because that thing looks scary. That's not even scary. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. Full. Okay, you guys, you know what's up. I'm full. I had a great dinner, and I'm glad you guys came to eat with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and you ate some good food right with me. Until next time, hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I do come on. Hit the subscribe button and comment below. If you want to reach me, my contact information is down below as well. I love you guys so, so much. Enjoy the rest of your night, day, wherever you at. I love you guys so, so much, and stay blessed. Bye.